Hello.
Yeah, so there was some
Yeah, I don't know. It might be,
network.
yeah, it might be my network, maybe.
Okay, so
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, we were talking about handshake, the handshake. So
Okay. Eddie, are
let's
you
look
recording
at
this one,
the
Eddie? Please,
I
thank you, man.
record.
Thanks.
Yeah, so
Thanks.
let's look at the thing. So imagine this as a user, as a client, and this as a server. So this is a Facebook site, and
Yeah.
this is a user who wants to open Facebook. So first it will send SYN request. So as I told you that SYN is used to like initialize or
Yeah.
initiate or start any communication. SYN
Oh, yeah.
flag. It will send it. So it will send SYN flag. It will ask. So I want to talk to you on this port number. So as you open, and with this flag, there will be a sequence number.
Yeah.
Number is so when we were talking about this. Okay, I told you this the 32-bit sequence number and the
Yes.
32-bit acknowledgement number. So this is the sequence number I was talking about
Oh, okay.
here. This is the sequence number, and this is the acknowledgement number. So and
Acknowledge,
okay,
yeah.
yeah. So this is the acknowledgement,
Okay.
and this is the sequence. So in this header, here will be the sequence, and here will be the acknowledgement. So
Yeah.
So yeah, so it will send the SYN flag to start the communication, and with the randomly generated. So this sequence number will be randomly generated.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and it will receive acknowledgement. So it will say okay. So it asks. So I want to talk to you. So it will send the response. I told you that if you say hi, the other person will also say hi. So it will send him the acknowledgement with an acknowledgement number. So this is the ACK packet that I have received your request, and this is the acknowledgement number. And it from his side, he starts a connection, and he asks for
Yes.
this, and the Facebook server responded that okay, I have received your connection request. So and for that he will sending the acknowledgement that I have received the request, and he is sending the acknowledgement number. But with this, he only accepted the request. He
Yeah.
himself, the Facebook itself doesn't start the communication. So to
Yes.
start the communication from his side, it will also send a SYN flag. So it will send a SYN flag with a randomly generated sequence number, and the
Okay.
packet will be sent. And when it sends the SYN packet to initiate the connection, then he has to tell you that I have received your request. So he will send him again the acknowledgement with acknowledgement number and a sequence number.
Oh, so the sequence
this
always
is-
changes, yeah?
So this, yeah, so I'm going to tell you how this changes. So first let's concept the synac and act, and
Okay.
then I will discuss what is how the sequence number is changing and acknowledgement number is changing.
Okay.
So first it will ask to start a communication by sending SYN. The knowledge that okay, I have received your request, and from his side he is going to start the communication. So he will also send a SYN. So the other has acknowledged that I have received the communication request, and this has also starts communication from his side by sending SYN packet. Then when he receives the SYN, he also have okay, I have also received your request of starting the communication. So here is the acknowledgement. So after this, the communication will be established, and they can communicate with each other. So this is how we get. So SYN act and act. So this is how it works. So first he will say hi, and she acknowledges, and she will also say hi, and when he receives the hi, he will also acknowledge that okay, yeah, I have acknowledged. So this
Okay.
is how it works. So do you have any problem?
No, I'm okay.
This-
Thanks. Yeah.
And now we are going to see how the sequence number changes. So when first the client will send the packet, there this sequence number will be uniquely generated. So sequence number 10 will be randomly generated,
Yes.
and when the receiver will acknowledge, so here the receiver is acknowledging this SYN request. So what he will do, he will send the acknowledgement flag as well as the acknowledgement number. So the acknowledgement number will be one increment of this. So here it sends 10, here it will increase 1. So here it is 8,
Oh.
11. Okay. And
Okay.
this sequence number will be randomly generated
Okay.
because he is also sending the SYN packet. So this will also got generated randomly. And when he will send the acknowledgement that okay, I have received your SYN request, here is the acknowledgement, and with the acknowledgement he will send an acknowledgement number. So this acknowledgement number will be one increment of this 142.
Yes.
Okay, and this sequence number will be the one increment of this. So why this? So this sequence number will be stored for future communication. So this is why it is being stored.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let me tell you in a better way. It seems like you have some doubt in this. So first, just understand like this. So it will say hi, and she will also say hi. She will acknowledge that, and she will also say hi. So the acknowledgement is just that thing that person here. So if I say hi to you, you will only reply to me hi when you will hear that this person is telling me hi. So
That's correct.
If you don't heard that I am telling you hi, how you are going to say how you are going to reply me? So the acknowledgement is being sent to tell the person that okay, I have heard or I have listened what you are trying to say, because we cannot see each other. So my computer is in India and Facebook server is in America or in some other country. So because we cannot, obviously these cannot see each other, so we have to send flag that okay, I have received this. So I said hi, this received this, and this will also say hi. So when I say hi, he have to say hi because that's a good manner. And when this person is telling me hi, then I also have to acknowledge that okay, means okay, yeah, I have received it. So it's like normal in human way, we can say it's a normal manner. So when some person say hi, good morning, it will also acknowledge that okay, yeah, good morning, good morning. He will also say good morning and he will acknowledge that. So this is similar to that.
Okay.
And the sequence number is that it will generate the sequence number 10 when it will receive the acknowledgement. It will send acknowledgement number by adding any one number here, and this will be randomly. So here the sequence will be randomly generated, and here also sequence will be randomly generated, but the acknowledgement will be one increment. So here he is acknowledging this 10 is this SYN request, so you have to increase one number in this, and here this client is acknowledging the SYN request of this sequence number. So here we are adding this. So this is random, this is random. He acknowledging this, so incrementing this, and acknowledging this. So that is why we are incrementing this, and this is saved for the future communication. So if you want to communicate in future, so this is how it works. So let me show you the demo. So I'm going to open the So I'm going to open Wireshark. So now I want you to see.
Okay.
So as soon as I enter google.com, so before this I am going to just start capturing the packets.
Wow.
So as soon as I enter google.com, and now Google is open.
Yeah.
So now let's check what we have got here. So
Wow.
we should have some packets. So we should have some packets. Which I think here. Let me capture this. actually,
Oh, okay.
because it's showing a lot of packets. I just wanted to show you the, as you can see here, it is
Uh,
when I
acknowledge. Yeah,
the
yeah.
yeah, so it is, you can see the SIM and sequence number 0. So
Yes.
sequence is 0, so the acknowledgement will be 1. So while opening the website, it will send the TCP packets.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
if I can able to show you here, you can see the acknowledgement, the sequence
Wow.
number, the acknowledgement number.
Mm-hmm.
So the blue line. So
Yes. Yeah.
similarly, whenever we open any website, so as you can see the SIM app, the acknowledgement. So this is what I was trying to show you. So whenever we open a site, so we have a TCP communication.
Yeah.
So my computer will connect to the Facebook server or Google server. So we will have a three-way handshake. As you can see, have a three-way handshake.
Yes.
So this is what I was trying to show you, but the packet
Wow.
is too much. So, yeah.
And that's a lot of that's a lot of
Yeah, so
IP numbers.
these are different packets. So I will tell you about Wireshark.
One
So
day.
this is a sniffing tool called Wireshark. So
Yeah.
this is to sniff the packets inside, and person is using some unsecure network and some unsecure protocol.
Oh, okay.
It's everything. So what site he is opening and what he is doing inside his PC, we can monitor everything.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
Oh, true.
Yeah, yeah.
Watch. What is it? Watch Shack. Yeah.
Yeah. So if he's using any HTTP based website, a website which is not
Yes.
secure. So if I show you like this, so this website doesn't have HTTPS connection. So as you can
Yes.
see, the connection is not secure. So if he opens anything, so if he log into his account and you are sniffing the network, the whole network, then you
Yeah.
can able to see. Then you can able to see what he is typing. What he is typing, you can able to see. So his login
Wow.
is registered network. So, yeah. So,
Oh, okay.
okay, so this was the TCP establishment. So this is how we establish a session. So the
Yep.
session is established using three-way handshake, and to end any session, we use TCP session termination. So how does this work? So as I told you, the finish flag is used to finish any communication.
Yes.
So when the communication is done and the sender, the client wants to end the connection, so he will send a finish flag.
Yes.
And with the finish flag, he will send a sequence number. So it will be randomly generated.
Okay.
And so it will acknowledge that. So okay, I have received your termination request, and it will add one number in this acknowledgement. Because
Yes.
this was 50, this will be 51.
Yeah.
And this sequence will be generated randomly.
Yes.
It will randomly generate a sequence number, and
Okay.
it will separately send a finish request. So it will not send together. It
Okay.
will separately send a request, and this sequence number will be the increment of this. So this was 170, and it will increment it with 171.
Yep.
Okay. And he will also acknowledge that okay, I have also received your finish request, and he will add one number in this, so 172. He will
Yep.
send the acknowledgement, and this will be saved for the future communication. So this was 50, so the last value will be the increment of the first value. So this sequence number will be 51 for future
Ah.
communications.
Wow.
This is how the finish will work. So
Works.
the first
Okay.
and last value so the first will be random, and the last will be the one increment of this.
Of
So here,
this.
as you
Okay.
can see, this was 10, and this will be the one increment,
Okay.
and here this is also 1. And the
Okay.
acknowledgement will be always one increment of the sequence. So here
Okay.
sequence is 170 and sequence is 171. So here
Yes.
the acknowledgement is 172. So it adds. Here you can see the sequence is 10. So acknowledgement is 11. The sequence
Yes.
sequence is 142. Acknowledgement is 142. So the acknowledgement number will be always one plus then the sequence number.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how we do the session establishment and termination
No
of the
worries.
session. So did you get everything?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Yeah. That's good.
Man, Eddie, you're very good. You know what you're doing.
Better because you are passionate to run hacking. So
Yeah.
my job will teach you in a better way. So
Yeah, thank you so much.
yeah. So these are some different type of scanning tools through which we scan. So the ZenMap, Nmap, and HPG3. So this is very popular
Okay.
tool. So we are going to talk about this tool, and
Okay.
that is the graphical version of Nmap. So we use Nmap in command line, and this is also terminal based. So I'm going to show, and these two are very common.
Okay.
Almost in things related to networking, then almost every Nmap and Wireshark.
Okay.
For networking, these two are extremely popular. So
Okay.
almost everybody uses these two for network
Okay.
related. Yeah. So yeah, and let's see what I was talking about. I'm talking about. So, so if I open my terminal and if I type Nmap
Yeah.
and I press enter, so this, you can see this opens a whole option. So what you can do, what is Nmap, so you can refer to see all the things. So
Oh, okay.
what is the usage, what is the version, what is the usage, and it will give you all the options. So what commands you can use. So
Okay.
and
Yeah.
if I type Zenmap,
Yeah.
press enter, so it will open a graphical version. So as you can see, so
Oh, okay.
we have to give our target IP. We have
Oh.
to select the type of scan, what type of scan we want. So intense, ping scan, quick scan, regular scan. So what are these we are going to talk?
Okay.
And it will just show the output here. So there
Wow.
are two options. So you can search here and Zenmap, and it will open. Or what we can do also, you can go in applications, and if you go in information gallery, and here
Yeah.
Zenmap, so you can open Zenmap.
Oh, zoom up. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can here also. So open here from there also. So now let's be in this module, in this topic. We are going to do the scanning of the whole network. So here, yesterday we were talking about the objective of scanning. So why we do
Yes.
scanning? So do these four things. We want to discover live host, we want to discover IP address and open ports and all these things. So how we are going to get it? We are going to use Nmap to get all the information, and
Okay.
how Nmap works. So let me tell you how it works. So if I have some, this will be our PC and this will be the network. So, multiple PC in a network. So what we are going to do,
Mm-hmm.
we are going to send some TCP requests. Okay, so we will send TCP request to the whole network, and based on the response, Nmap will analyze what is the output. So it will analyze. So it will send TCP's request, and it will get the response, and based on the response, it will give us the output. It will analyze all those response, and it will show us the output. So this is how Nmap works. So let us see. So here our first target is to discover a live host. So this is our first objective. How to identify live host? So what we are going to discover a live host, we do ping scan. Okay. So what is ping scan? When we do ping scan, so Nmap will send ICMP packets to all the PC. And if it gets the response, then it means the PC is active. And if you don't get response, if you don't get any response, then it means it is not active. This is a power off, or it is shut down. So it is not in active state. So based on the ICMP packet. So to send the ICMP packet to the system, what we do? We do the command is nmap -s small hyphen small s and n small n. So this is why the command we use for ping, and we have to send the whole network. We have to send whole network to identify all the active hosts. So to send the whole network, what we are going to do, we have to first find our IP address. So if I do ifconfig, I will get to know that this is my IP, 192.168.0.
Eddie, would you mind to hold on for a second? I gotta wash my hand, I'm coming. Like I said, sorry for keeping you waiting.
So yeah. So now I know that this is mine.
So you did if config, yeah?
Yeah, I did if config. Because we need to find the network range. Then without a network range, we are not going to scan the whole network. So this is our IP. So 0.156. And in each octet, so this is the whole like networking thing. So if the IP address is this, so IP this is IPv4 address. So this is IPv4, and it is 32 bits. So this is called one octet. This is called octet. This is called octet, and this is called octet. So each octet is of 8 bits. Okay. So total the IP is 32 bit long. 32-bit long. So you are having trouble understanding this.
Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 32-bit long. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So this is any IP. So here,
Okay.
okay, let me. So this is the IP address. So okay, so
Yes.
and to find so in this is the IPv4 address. So
Okay.
what IPv4 address means? So it looks like this,
Yes.
and IPv6 is like combination of letters or numbers. So as I told, as
Yesterday.
I think
Yeah.
I told, yeah. So this IPv6. So each octet, so this dot, so can this IP address can be this. So each octet, so this is different, this is different, this is different,
Yes.
this is different. So each octet will be of 8 bits, 8,
Oh, okay.
and this is called octet. So this is octet, this is octet.
Octet.
Why we call this octet? Because it has 8 bit length. So
And how do you spell that? Yeah, the optic. How do you spell it? Sorry.
octet.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Octet. All right. Thanks.
So okay, so yeah, so this is 8, this is 8, so total its length is 32 bit. Okay,
Yeah.
and there is class of IPv4. So there are 5 types of IP, 5 classes in IP. So class A, class B, class C. So the normal user uses these 3, A, B, C, and there are 2 more, class D and class E. So
Okay.
so these we are going, all the normal users, all the normal organization, they use these 3, and
Yeah.
D is used for multicasting, and E is used for research purposes.
Okay.
Research. So we don't use, we only have to keep these things in mind. So every IP address, every class has a certain range. Okay,
Okay.
certain range. So they will have certain range. So the class A IP have a range of from 1.0.0.0 to 127.0.0.0. It will have 128.0.0.0 to 191,
Wow.
and it will have range from 192.0.0.0 to 223.0.0.0, and this will have a range of 224.0.0.0
Okay.
239.0.0.0, and this will have 240.0.0.0 to 255.
Okay.
So this is the length. So IP address has a length you can assign from 1.0.0 to 255. Okay, and each octet. So this each octet,
Yeah.
we can, in each octet we can assign a value of 255. So we can assign 255 here. We
Okay.
can assign 250 here. 255 here.
Yeah.
So they can go up to 255 each octet. Okay. Yeah. So
Oh, wow. Okay.
so this is the class IP address. Based on the IP address,
Okay.
we can identify which IP belongs to which class. So if config, So you have to tell me this belong. So this chart is my IP, and
It is
then
not showing up.
which
Are you on Kali?
which what?
Are you on Kali Linux? Oh,
No, I'm in Notepad.
okay. All right, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So can you able to see these?
Yeah, I saw it now. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it's
these
good
are
now.
the classes. So
Okay.
this is the class.
Mhm.
This is what this IP belongs.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's very simple. It's in front of your eyes. You just have to. So can't you see the difference? Can't you see the similarity?
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, which class does this IP belong? So you can see, there is similarity. Can't you see this similarity?
Oh,
Can
yeah.
you able to see this,
It's class C. Class C.
anywhere else? Yeah. So this is class E based IP
Yeah.
address. So if it's between 1 to 127 means it's A.
A.
Between
Yeah.
120, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what is here. So it doesn't matter. As I told you, this can be increased up to
What?
255.
5.
So yeah, so it doesn't like we see. So if it's 193, it's in class C. If it's
Yeah.
if it's 190, then there it will be. If it's 190.2,
It's B. Yeah. That's B.
yeah, so it will be in B. Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is how we check the IP. So which IP belongs to the class.
Okay.
So and we see range. What we do. So imagine this is my IP next. So I want to search the whole subnet. So I want to search all the PC connect my IP address, correct?
Yeah.
I'm going to do 192.168.0, and instead of 156 I will do 1, and I will do slash, and I will do 24. So what this means, this is called CIDR value. So CIDR stands for classless interdomain range. Classless interdomain range. I guess this is what it stands for. So this value will search the whole subnet. So whatever. So yeah. So classless interdomain range. Interdomain.
Okay.
So this is the full form. So
Alright.
what this does is, so it will scan the whole subnet. Whole subnet means it will start from 1,
Mhm.
it will go to 2, 3, 4, and it will go to 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah.
9, 10, and it will go on to 254. It will go on to 254.
Oh.
So
Okay.
so in this way we can scan this particular object, this particular in easy way you can understand that we can scan this whole particular object. So
Yeah.
it is going to scan 254 pieces. This whole
Okay.
so, and to scan any like how many IP are there in our network, there is a very good tool called Net Discover. So if I type Net Discover and I assign my interface, so what is interface? So if I do IF config, you can see
Yeah.
L0, ETH1 and ETH0. So these are called network interface. So my network interface is ETH1 because this has the IP address. So this is my network interface.
Okay.
So I will type net discover. I will do -i and my interface name.
Yeah.
And when I press enter, it will automatically search all the IP addresses. So you can see 192.168. It is using /16. So you can do
Yeah.
this. You can do /8
116.
/16, or you
Yeah.
can do /24. So there are three
Oh,
options
okay.
which you can
Oh, okay.
So as you can see, it is doing automatically scanning. So it will go till 255.
Wow.
It will, yeah, and then you will see it will change. So it is going, and then it will change. So these are the IP attached in my network, as you can
Eddie,
see.
can I? No, Eddie, I can't see it. Do you mind to change the windows? Yes, I can see it now. Oh, wow.
Okay, so
Yep.
okay, so as you can see, this is scanning. So it has
Yep.
reached 134.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, 165, 160, 170. So it is continue scanning. So it will go till 254, and from 255 it will just add one, and
Stop.
it will continue.
Oh, okay.
So let's see what happened when it reaches 254. So see, now it is going to scan
Yes.
this, and it will continue. It will go. So it just changed the IP address. So I scanned 192, but now it is scanning 172. It just
Oh,
because
yes.
there are only a certain number of IP addresses. So in my range.
Okay.
So
Oh, okay.
if I doing, let me do so. In this network area, in class C, in this
Yes.
IP, only this much IP are there. Then it, because it is doing automatic. So after it finds all the IP address in this IP in this
Yeah.
class, it will start to find any other router, any other IP. So because
Okay.
in my office we have multiple
A lot.
routers. So yeah,
Mm.
like this and this. So it will continue scanning all those. But in my network, we only have this much. This much.
Oh, okay. Yep.
The easy thing, what I can tell you, just
Yes.
blindfold. Just what you do, just do this. So what you have to do, just find the IP address.
Oh,
So
yep.
this is the IP address.
Okay.
Do nmap, and we have to find all the active hosts. So for finding active host, we are going to do ping command, and the ping command, the syntax of ping command is this -sn,
Okay.
and this is my IP. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start it from 1. So 192 was, so this will be same. All these three
Yes.
things will be same. So here I'm changing it to 1, and here I'm giving it 24. So in this
24,
it will scan all the network range.
Wow.
So as you can see, it scanned 256 IP addresses,
Yeah.
and in 256 IP only 6 PCs are up. So
Let me try mine and see.
do if config and tell me your IP address.
See, I did a if config. I get a ETHO.
Yeah. So ETHO, okay. And what is the IP?
Let me see where is it.
It will be on the second line, like this
Second.
inet karke. It
iNet.
will display as, yeah, inet. It will display
Oh,
as inet.
okay. Do you want it?
Yeah, just tell me.
Okay, it's 10.0.2.4.
Yeah. So according to you,
Yeah.
what in
Class-
which class is this IP?
No, this one is class A.
Yeah, so this belongs to class A. And if you want to search
Mm-hmm.
the ping command to see all the hosts, So this is
Yes.
the command. So what you are going to give here? So tell me.
I still have to do maybe slash puts no. Two.
So these three will be same, and now
Yeah.
what you are going to do for the fourth one?
Is this slash
Just
16?
you just have to, whatever it is. If it's 4, if it's 40, if
Yeah.
it's 45, you just have to put 1 and do this.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so whatever it is, it doesn't matter. It's 4, it's 123. It doesn't matter. You have to make this one the fourth object. Just make
Okay.
this one and put slash 24. And when you scan, it will show you. So currently there is no IP in my range, so it will show nothing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
2.1 slash 24 or 16. Let me see.
It will also show nothing in your
Yeah.
system.
It's not working.
You know
Yeah.
why?
Why?
Even if you're it has to show. Okay, let me tell you why. So let me check my this Windows IP. So my Windows IP is 0.108. So here is my Windows IP. So it is detecting, but when you scan
Yeah.
this, it will not detect even your Windows IP address. It should detect your Windows PC, but it will not detect. And why it will not detect? Because your system IP will be different than this IP. Just open your CMD and type IP config.
Okay. CMD.
It will
Yeah.
be,
Okay.
yeah, it will be different.
Command. What do you want to type? Sorry.
IP config.
Oh yeah. IP config. IP config. Okay. Wireless. Wait a minute.
In the last
The last one.
IPv4 address, so it will be displayed as this. You can see on my
Let me
screen,
see yours. Wait a minute. Let me see. Wait a minute. Let me see yours. Where's the IPv4?
Yeah.
Nah. Oh yes. I could see. It's different.
Yeah. So what is this? What is that?
This one's 192.
Yeah.
So that's a class B, yeah?
C. Class
Oh, C. Sorry, yeah, C.
Yeah. Yeah. So why it is different?
Yes.
So
Why is
let
it
me tell you
different?
why it is different.
Yeah.
Because you have to do the settings in your virtual box. So your virtual box.
Yes.
If you go to settings and network,
Yeah.
here you will see NAT network. Your system will be like this, NAT.
Yeah. No, mine's not. No, mine's not network.
NAT network. So it will be like this. You have to do bridge adapter.
Oh, okay. Let me see. So, yep, network. This one is yours. Where's mine? Okay. Settings, network. Yes, bridge adapter.
You have to select bridge.
Okay. Yep.
And what is the difference between bridge and NAT network? So let me tell you.
Okay.
When we do bridge network can share our physical systems IP, physical system network with the virtual system. So this is virtual. This is completely new, different operating system in different in virtual environment, and our Windows PC is completely different. So when we do bridge, we can share the network communication from our Windows to our any virtual machine, whether it's Kali, it's Planet, or it's any other operating system.
Okay.
But if we do NAT network, so if we do this,
Not, yeah.
then it will completely create a new IP address, and it will isolate from the outside environment. In its virtual
Mm,
environment, it will completely create a new IP. So if you do that, you will not be able to connect outside of your virtual box. So outside of your system, you
mm.
will not be able to identify anything because your
Oh,
IP
okay.
will be different. Yeah, so we have to always do the bridge so that we can access the outside
Well,
network.
oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So
Thanks.
now when after changing, if you do the if config,
Yeah,
you
that's
might
it.
have to do the restart. I don't know, but
Let me see.
it will
Mm,
change.
oh, it did change.
Yeah, okay. So
Okay,
it
let
will
me
be
see.
like 192
Yeah,
or something.
yeah. Let me copy it.
So now, yeah, now this is scanned. Then you will be able to see your Windows IP will be found. It
Okay.
will count. Yeah,
Now,
so to do the whole
hyphen
process
SN.
and the network range. So whatever is your network,
Oh, yeah, yeah. Paste it. I'm pasting the number. Yeah. Let me see. Cool. Whoa. It seems it's down. It says starting AMP 7.80 about blocking. I don't know why. Let me try again. NLP.
so
Let's
you
see.
have advice or something.
What's that? Sorry.
What are you doing? What is your
I'm trying to
else
scan
you
it with
have
the
command?
and yeah, I use mmap space
Uh,
hyphen SN,
okay.
then a hyphen again, and the IP number.
Why hyphen again? You don't. There is no hyphen.
Oh, there's no hyphen. Oh, no, 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 no,
You can
space.
see
Sorry, no, space, space.
okay. Space
Yeah.
and what is the IP? Tell me the IP.
Okay. Where is it? Where is it? 192.
Yeah.
Yeah, 168
Okay.
1.24. No, no, no. Sorry. Wait. Point 3.
1 point. So 1.3, and
No,
you are
there's no
giving
one
like
there.
that.
There's no one there. It's 3. Oh yeah, that one.
Okay.
1.3. No, you're right. 1.3.
1.3. So and you
Yeah.
are giving it like that.
Yeah, I did that. So I removed the 3 and I put 24.
You have to put 1/24, no?
Oh,
You
that's why.
you have to put like that.
Okay. SN. SN. Copy and paste. Paste. Okay.
Are you getting your Windows PC IP in Nmap output?
Um, what is? Still not showing though. Wait a minute.
In the
I did it. It says starting NMAP 7.80. That's it. It's not doing anything. Nah, it's not scanning.
not scanning. It should scan like this.
Where is yours? Let me look at yours.
Yeah, see.
Yeah, like that. 24. Yep, same. Starting.
So it's not working in your system.
Yeah. Let me see. What about your end? Is it working?
Yeah, you can see my screen. I just did another scan
Oh,
in front
yes.
of you.
Yeah. Yours did work. mmap hyphen no space sn. Yeah.
Okay. Just check your
Okay.
IP again. I think you are doing some wrong
Something.
step here.
Okay.
This step I think is wrong.
Okay. I use terminator. Yeah. fconfig
Yeah.
fconfig and 192.168. Okay. Let me copy and paste.
Tell me the whole IP.
Okay.
192.168.
192.168.1.3.
1.3.
Yep.
Okay. And just check Windows IP once just listening the command and IP to the IP config.
Command. Yep. Let me see.
Yeah, in Windows. Just open in
Okay.
Windows.
Yep. The Windows is IP config. Oh yeah, it's different.
So what's the IP?
192.168.56.1.
0.56.1. So
Yep.
I think just restart your Kali Linux. So I think because you changed the
Okay.
network connection, so there might be some
Yeah.
problem. Yes.
Oh, okay. That's okay. I'll do that. Okay. That's my box. Current stats. No. Okay. It's opening soon. Eddie, give me a second.
Okay.
Yeah, my card is too. Yeah, it's too slow. Okay. Terminator. If config. Where is it? What?
Okay. So what's the IP?
No, I'll fix this. I'll do it myself. I know it's time, yeah?
So what is showing? It's still showing 3.
No, it's showing. No, it's showing the 10.2. So my settings in the virtual machine didn't work. So settings. So I have to do the network again. See, it is still on NAT network. So bridge
Still on
adapter. Yeah. Okay.
So
I
do
set
one
it up.
thing. Just
Yes.
completely shut down your Kali Linux and
Okay.
then open VirtualBox and
Okay.
then change the network setting and then start the
Oh. Yeah, I should have done that.
So after shutting down your Kali, then you
Yeah.
change your network.
Okay. Okay, let me do it now.
And see on my screen as I am opening the. Just look for 1 second here.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So as you choose bridge adapter, you
Yes.
also have to click on OK because
Yes.
if you don't click here, the network setting will not get changed.
Yep. I did okay. Alright, so now I have to go stats on my Kali.
just shut down and just change.
Yep, I did. Alright. It's- Okay. Then later, if config. I think it's
So did it change or it is doing the same?
no. Still, I get 192.168.1.3.
1.3.
Yeah,
So network range.
it's different from the Windows one. Command. IP config. Oh, okay.
What show it?
So the difference is the end number. This one is 1.5 and this one is 1.3.
So that.
It's okay, yeah?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah,
Now to do the search like this.
okay.
You only have to copy this. Don't copy everything.
Which one you copy? Within the 1.3, yeah?
Yeah. So you have to do 1.1/24. You know.
Where are you? Let me see. Okay. And map.
Yeah, the cooling fan is working fast, so the processor is taking some
Yeah.
heavy load on your PC.
Nice, it's working now. Wait a minute, I'm searching for it now. Mmap, starting mmap.
Space hyphen
okay.
N.
Yep. Let me see, what did you get? Oh, you didn't do it. Slice 24. Yeah. Is it the
So
same?
as you can see, this is the result I got.
256, 256. But yours is still scanning, yeah?
Okay, so it's still scanning for you.
Okay.
No, the scan is complete. If in my system the scan is complete. Just
Oh, really?
so yeah. So how do you find that the scan is running or scan is completed? So
The
you
roots.
can see down here.
Roots, yeah.
It will show you. And
Oh, yeah. Oh, same. I got the same. Yeah. On the graphic 156. Yep, we got the same.
So did you got the result like this?
Yep, I got it.
Did you get? So you might be getting the IP address of Windows. So whatever the IP of your Windows and whatever systems are connected
Yeah,
in that particular network, then you will be getting IP address of all those systems.
from that one. Yep.
Yeah. So This is how we do ping scan to identify. And let me tell you one more
Yes.
command. So
Okay.
this might be difficult for you
Okay.
for remember. It's also easy. And what you can do.
Okay.
So instead of doing 1/24, what
Yeah.
you can do asterisk. So star. So this is called wildcard. So when you don't know
Wildcard.
when you don't know what to put, you can
Yes.
simply put this, and it will automatically like complete everything. It will automatically scan. It will
Okay.
automatically identify the network range, and it will
Okay.
scan. So if I do star enter, so you will see. So here it did scan everything. So
Oh, okay. Once is a 0. Okay.
so the first three octet will be same. Only the change will occur only in the fourth octet. So either you put star, either you put 1/24. The change will always happen in fourth octet.
Okay.
And you have to put these things as it is.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Let me try it. Listen. Paste. Yep. Same as yours.
Okay, so it means the scan is working. So this is how we do ping
Okay.
scan to identify active host. To identify active hosts in a network. So
Oh, okay. Ping scan.
after we identify all the active hosts, then our next target is to. So when we got this result,
Yes.
so just wait a second. Give me the output. So after when we got this result, so we can choose each IP and we can try to identify ports and everything, and how to do all these things, and how to proceed further. We are going
Okay.
to see in the next session, because it's
No
already
worries. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah.
So I will send you the recording. So
Okay. Thank you
then
so
you
much.
can
I'll do some training. Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you so much.